great video. My name is Alex, and as always, we are on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track, and I'm here today in a 1,000 horsepower GT500. These cars are pretty wicked from the factory. They're very unique. It's the first 7-speed dual clutch Mustang ever. And this one in particular is equipped with our Venom 1000 package, so 1,000 horsepower in this thing, and wow, it is unbelievable. So we're doing the final testing before we deliver it to the customer. This thing sounds awesome. And this is actually equipped with a flex fuel tune, so this car can run on any mixture of 93 octane and E85. And of course, for the most power, you're going to use a full tank of E85, and that's what we've got right now. So let's go ahead and make our first hit and see how the car feels. It's all warmed up and ready to go. So here we go. Here we go, and it pulls hard. My goodness. So 145. From a dead stop on a light launch, that's really fast on this track. It is so smooth. It is so ultra smooth. I love the transmission. 7-speed dual clutch. First time ever in a Mustang to have a dual clutch. It really bangs off shifts very quickly, and it holds power. It's good for modifications. We're able to tune the trans. And I absolutely love it. The drivability is just like stock. You can change the drive modes and the exhaust modes that change the drivability of the car and the shift points and everything. If you're just driving around town, you have it in comfort mode and normal mode, and everything's good. You want to drive a little bit more spirited, and you want to have some more aggressive downshifts when you're trying to pass somebody, you put this thing in sport mode and it wakes the car up. It is wicked fast. Seems to last forever. It just revs to the moon. So the Venom 1000 GT500 package has gone through a lot of R&D to make sure that it is reliable and drivable for everyday users on the street. And that's exactly what this car does. You're going to get a warranty from Hennessey. We're going to deliver it to you in a turnkey fashion so that you can have fun. That's all we want, is for you to have fun as a customer in a vehicle that you can drive and enjoy, that's reliable. Likes of 720S, Lamborghini Huracan, just to name a few, and you're talking about a car that costs way less. It's pretty amazing. Alright everybody, that about wraps up this video. This car is running perfectly and it is good to go for the customer, so we're going to put it on a reliable brand truck and trailer, and we're going to send this puppy on home. So thanks for watching, thanks for staying tuned. Shoot your questions down below and make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.